Kindleglow Nutrition, we have values and philosophies that we live every day. First and foremost, everyone deserves care, no matter who you are, where you're going, where you came from. You deserve care, and you deserve to have a positive relationship with food. Second is that we are anti-diet here in our practice, meaning there are no food restrictions allowed except those that are medically necessary, such as allergies or otherwise. We also practice HAES, or health at every size. We believe that we need to have a connecting and inclusive space for bodies all along the size, shape, and weight spectrum. But really what it comes down to is we want to help make food a positive influence in your life, something that provides connection and love, not anxiety. That way you can have a positive relationship with food for the rest of your life.